The user clicks the command for the required part and selects the appropriate values. If they want to place the top view of the part, they should select the Top View button. By clicking the Insert Point button, they can place the part anywhere on the screen. If they want to add the top view, they should select the Top View button. If the user wants to place a bolt, they should click the Bolt button. Here, they can select the appropriate option according to the desired bolt standard. Select the bolt diameter and specify the material. Once the definition is complete, click the Insert Points button. First, mark where the bolt head will be placed. Select 2 points to adjust both the bolt length and its direction. For the top view of the bolt, select the Top View of Bolt option. Choose the desired bolt standard, select the bolt diameter and specify the material. Click the Insert Points button to draw the top view of the bolt. If you want to place a bolt, nut and washer all at once, you should use this command. First, select the bolt standard you want to use. Choose the bolt diameter. Click the Insert Points button and mark 2 points on the screen. Explore the other options to see their functions. Once you've decided on the appropriate combination, click the Create button to finalize the command. If you want to add an anchor to your drawing, you can use this command. Currently, you can add either a Hilti brand or a standard unbranded anchor. Select the appropriate option from the list. Click the Insert Points button and mark 2 points on the screen. The program will add the selected anchor to your drawing. If you want to add a plastic dowel to your drawing, you can use this command. Enter the dowel spacing. Click the Insert Points button. Mark the first and second points, as shown in the image, to determine the dowel position. The program will adjust the screw length and place the anchor accordingly. If you want to add a concrete nail instead of a dowel, set the nail spacing. Click the Insert Points button. Mark the first and second points, as shown in the image, to determine the nail position. The program will add the concrete nail to the drawing as desired. When you want to add a screw to your drawing, use this command. First, select the type of screw. Then, choose the shape of screw. The program will filter the library, allowing you to select the desired screws. In the Dimension section, options without a length value represent the top view of the screw. Enter the screw spacing and material. Select the desired screw and click the Insert Points button. Mark 2 points to place the screw in your drawing. If the screw length is not as desired, you can adjust it using the up and down arrow keys. If you plan to use similar screws, check the Set as Default option. Once all settings are complete, click the Create button to finish. Select either the top view or side view of the rivet. Choose the rivet diameter, select the material. Once all settings are complete, click the Insert Points button. Mark 2 points to place the rivet in the desired location. Slotted hole, enter the bolt diameter. Enter the desired clearance and hole tolerance. Click the Insert Points button. Mark 2 points to create a slotted hole. Standard hole marking, enter the hole diameter. Click the Insert Points button. Mark 2 points to place the hole in the drawing. Threaded hole, metric tap. Use this command when you need to create a threaded hole instead of a regular hole. The process is the same as marking a standard hole. Enter the hole diameter. Click the Insert Points button. Mark 2 points to generate the hole according to the given illustration. Creating punch holes in profiles. Automatically creating holes for screws. Click the Select Object button. Select a PARDIS element from the drawing. Click the Select Screw button. The program will automatically create the appropriate hole. Manually defining a punch hole. Click the Insert Points button. Select 3 points to define a rectangle. The PARDIS system will transform this area into a hole. Creating holes at regular intervals. Enter the hole spacing. Enter the hole diameter. Click the Insert Points button. Mark 2 points on the drawing. The program will create equally spaced holes along the selected area. If the spacing is not perfectly divisible, the holes will be positioned symmetrically at the edges. Sometimes the parts we want to join require very long bolts. If such long bolts are not available, you can draw a threaded rod instead. Select Rod Diameter. Choose the bolt diameter from the rod diameter section. Enter the material of the rod. Optional lock nut. If you want to use a lock nut, click the Use Lock Nut button. Click the Insert Points button. Mark 2 points to define the length of the rod. The threaded rod will be created in the drawing.